this video, we're going to cover how to use the broadcast email system in 4-H Online. The first thing you need to do is log into a county level account, go to the Connect tab, and then go to Broadcast Email. This is the top level of the broadcast email system. You will get a list of all the emails you have sent out, and up here is the Add Broadcast Email button. It will ask you for a title and a template. The title of your email will end up being the subject line, and a template is that you can use a previously created email and copy its subject line, its body, and recipient list to your new email. It defaults first to new blank email, so we will create a new title and then say create email. This will take you to the setup page of the email. You can see the title. The title here is what the email will be called in your email list. It does not show up anywhere in the email itself, and you can edit your subject line here. Then you go down to the recipients, and you can select who you are going to send the email to. You can select send to families, send to members, or send to managers. Send to families will send the email to the family profiles. Send to members will send the email to all the individual members under recipient selection. So it's typically more helpful to select send to members than send to families, as you will hit more people. Then under configuration, you should almost always use the use my email as reply to, because the default reply to for an email is the generic 4-H Online email that is managed by the state level webmasters of 4-H Online. Whereas if you do use my email as reply to, it will send replies to the email of the account you are using. It's also helpful to use remove unsubscribed link, because at the bottom of every email, if it is not selected, will be a link that says, please do not send me any more emails from 4-H Online. Once you have everything set up, you can click Continue. This will take you to the Layout section, where you will create the body of your email. There is a glitch in 4-H Online that some people have encountered, myself included, where you can no longer click into the body section of the email. Because of this, I can't show you how the text editor actually works, but it works very similarly to a generic Word document. You can insert images if you know HTML programming. It's important to note that you cannot right-click, copy and paste. You have to use the keyboard commands if you plan to copy and paste. The system does not do attachments in the traditional sense. You have to use newsletters, and we will cover the newsletter system in a separate video. Over here in the merge fields and documents, you get these helpful generic fields that you can insert into your email, and when the email is being sent out, it will grab all this information from the profiles that it's sending to, so you can personalize your emails. To insert these informations, you would just double-click on them, and it would put that field into the email where your cursor was. It is important to note, even if you do get the glitch where you can't edit anything, you can create a list of recipients, and we'll cover that in the next section. Once you're done, hit save, and then continue. If you don't hit save, there's a chance that the email body might not be saved, so it's always helpful to just be sure and hit save. Then you will be taken to the recipient selection page. There are two ways to select recipients for your email. The first way is to use a report created in the Enrollment tab, or the second way is to send it to the flagged profiles. You can flag profiles under the search function. To use the reports, just click on Select Report, It will take you to a page with all of the reports that you have created, and then you can select as many as you want. Make sure to click on the square to the left of the name, because clicking on the name itself will not select it. Once you have all of your reports selected, hit Save, and then it will show you how many recipients you're going to be sending it to, and a list of all the recipients. If you did get the glitch where you can't type into the body of the email, you can still go to this page and generate a list for a separate email system, such as Outlook. All you need to do is click List for Email Client, and it will give you a nice list of everyone you're sending the email to, and you can copy-paste from this. It also helps to change delimiter to semicolon, as this is the default way to separate emails in Outlook. Once you have your recipient selected, you can hit Continue. Then you will get to the Send page. This page is just to confirm that you are ready to send your email. If you are ready, click Send Now and say Finish. If you are not ready, you can say Exit, and that will save all the information you have put in so far. It will take you back to the top page of the broadcast email system, and you will see your email at the top of the list. If you need to go back and edit it, just click on the Edit button next to the email. It will take you back to the Setup page, and then you can just select wherever you want to restart working on the email. If you're done with your email and no longer want it, you can hit the Delete button. It will ask if you are sure. Say OK. And then it will remove it from the list. Hopefully this has been a helpful video. Have a great day.